Lovely.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, it's got a really nice. That sour really does come through nicely.
Really does.
Puckering, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're doing a Philly Sour today. It's a brew that I've basically concocted up of lots of other ones that I've seen on YouTube and across the internet. I've got Ed here to help me because I need the help. We're going to be doing it on the Mash Master, and we are up to strike temperature. I'll run through the specifics of the brew. I should probably have that in my hand. I'll get told off by Tim. You see, not allowed notes.
Really? Are we not?
I don't know.
Can't do anything these days.
Can't do anything. So we're going to use the main reason for doing this one is to use the WildBrew Philly Sour yeast, which is a really interesting yeast. Which so for the first 5 days of production does a lot of lactic acid, so you get your souring, and then for the sort of next 5 days or so, it really picks up the alcohol production. So we're going to give it a go. Use the Mash Master. We're going to ferment it under pressure in this bad boy.
First time we've used this, isn't it?
It is the first time we've used it, yeah. So that should be quite good to use.
Using a little spundy.
Yeah.
Are we fermenting under pressure?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea what pressure yet though.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So,
We'll figure it out. Yeah.
I figured we'd probably adjust it.
Yeah.
I think it can do up to 35 psi.
Sounds
So
right.
we'll probably run it at about 10.
Yeah.
But I'm going to have a look into that.
Yeah, cool.
While we're waiting. But yeah, I think it's time to just get the break. I'll leave that on.
Do that cool YouTube thing where they go. Oh yeah. Works a little bit different than I said. We can cut that.
No, we won't get it.
Yeah, good. Do you even bench?
That handle's quite hot.
Do you even lift?
No, I don't.
What's that?
19.6.
19.6? I'm sure it was 20.8, wasn't it?
No, it was 22 point something. 22.8 total.
Okay. No. You're lying to me.
Might slow it down a little.
This is it. Free boil size, 20.8.
Oh no, I've used the other
Have you
character.
changed? Oh, okay, you're using the brew file one.
Yeah. This is Ed's
Recommendation.
Thank you. Good thing, well, yeah, so the brew file one, 19.6.
Oh, okay.
Brew one. Time for a bit of hop addition.
Yeah.
So we've got 5 grams of Magnum going in at the beginning of the boil.
Look at that concentration.
I didn't want to chuck it in over the top, you see.
Nice rolling boil. In stereo for the camera.
Yeah, well, you know, you got to do it.
Happy with it so far?
Very happy with it.
Look
so
at that
far.
van out there. Look at that. We'll have to
we'll
blank out the registration,
yeah,
won't we? Obviously.
We'll have to have a tour of that. So as you can see, we've set up the plate chiller and the pump again, just recircling through just to sterilise it all.
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes left, so last hop additions, 15 grams of Mosaic.
Oh, that looked good.
Right. So it's chilled down to a nice 20.4 degrees. Now aerating into our fermenter. It's first rodeo, it's first outing.
Come down, see how the staff are doing.
Yeah.
Hey Sam,
He
you got the camera as well?
comes in and distracts us.
There he is. Packing the grain bags. Bloody loves it, he does. Bloody loves it. Can't get enough.
You get commission.
Take your clothes off. Go on, baby, take your clothes off.
Is it probably aerated enough? Or
Now to give it a shake for 30 seconds or so. Oh my god. That's all you got.
I'm worried about the handle.
That's where the handle snaps off.
Yeah.
Look at those guns.
My whole life has led up to.
Oh,
Yeah.
what happened there?
They flex. Philly Sour.
Oh, sorry. Heating my mouth. Is that all she wrote?
That's all she wrote for the moment.
What the hell's that fruit doing here?
Cool.
Hello there.
Hello there. Got Tim with me today rather than Ed. Ed's gone on holiday. So we are about 4.5, nearly 5 days into the fermentation of the Philly Sour. And it's time to add 4 kilos of fruit. We're adding frozen summer fruit. It has defrosted. It's a mix of strawberries, red currants, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries and cherries.
So you know it's good.
It's going to be good.
I haven't had actual fruit to a beer for a while.
No,
This is
what
one of
was
my
the last
first
time?
stovetop brews. Last time I
really?
did it was mango, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm quite looking
First
forward
time.
to this. It should offset the sour quite nicely. Got a sanitizer, got the scissors. We're currently at 8 psi.
That's got a lovely sort of strawberry milkshake colour already. I'm quite surprised. The fruit, by the way, is Chef's Larder from Booker. Booker or Macro stock that, but I imagine Tesco and all the other supermarkets do a mixed summer fruit bag. Welcome to Upton Country Park, folks, here in Poole, Dorset. Sorry about the noise, by the way. I'm going to go and kick some heads in a minute.
Locals.
Yeah. Hey, look at that colour. That's like cherryade, isn't it? It's right, lovely colour.
It's got a decent amount. I was a little bit worried it wasn't going to have much carbonation, but actually,
I think it's got plenty.
It's right, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, as we've learned through this, that the colour comes from the skins of the fruit. Obviously, with the puree, you don't get much colour. So, like with wine, I mean, I guess we should have known this anyway. Maybe you did know this. I don't know. I didn't. But
I knew this.
did you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
bored me with the
I know
stuff
the
many
colour in
times.
wine comes from the skin, but I
Yeah.
didn't realise the same would be the
Oh,
true.
of
But if
course
you
it-
think
yeah,
about
big
it, of
time.
course
I
it is.
suppose, yeah, with any fruit it would come from
So if you want colour, wacky colour, stick the fruit in.
so it's what, 4, well, we've done this one.
All right,
Yeah.
go for it.
Lovely, nice fruity nose, isn't it? You
Yeah.
can smell the sourness.
Very, very
You can
sweet
as
as well.
Sour
almost.
definitely comes through.
Yeah, cheers.
You jumping in?
Yeah, jump
We're
in.
doing this.
Let's go. Lovely.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, it's got a really nice. That sour really does come through nicely.
Really does.
Puckering, isn't it? It's-
Slightly sweet, like just slightly.
Yeah.
What was the final gravity?
10-15.
10-15.
Is that, no, there's no lactose in it, is there?
No lactose. No, there was there was 4 kilos of fruit though.
Oh, okay.
So that holds obviously quite a lot
Yeah.
of sugar.
I would 100% use frozen fruit. Probably the next fruited beer I do
Oh, definitely.
will be frozen fruit. That worked really well.
It's yeah, it was interesting to see how much colour would come out of the fruit and how sort of bleached they look.
Yeah.
afterwards.
It's a great balance, isn't it? Just lovely sourness, really nice hit of fruit.
Still got
And-
that sweetness though, like you say, isn't it?
10-15 is on the money, I think.
Yeah,
And
it's,
for a sessionable 4.5%, I mean, I personally would prefer more like 6%
Yeah,
plus, and maybe a bit of lactose, but that's my personal preference.
oh, we can try one like that next time.
But-
especially as we've this is our first attempt with the Philly Sour yeast.
Yeah, true, yeah.
Which is an interesting one to use because of the fact it does the lactose production for, not lactose, lactic acid production for 5 days, and then it sort of almost switches over.
Yeah, sure.
For me, and I'm not just saying this, but because I've had a few sessionable sours from in particular Vault City, That's the best sessionable sour I think
Yeah?
I've tried in the last year or so.
Well, I'll take that one.
That is really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, annoyingly, you have done well with that.
Mm.
So sum up.
Let's watch some more videos to work out how you do it.
Well, the Philly Sour is great, isn't it? I mean, that is we highly recommend if they haven't used Philly Sour yet to get into sours by trying with
Well,
that.
and it's a nice, easy way of doing it because you don't have to muck around doing kettle souring and then pasteurization or use any bacterial, like purposeful infections.
Yeah.
And all of that, where you have to, it basically prolongs it. You treat it like a normal brew. It just takes a little bit longer.
So it's quite a good starting point then, really. for
very,
someone.
very good.
What would you do
starting point.
differently then? If you were doing
I'd
more?
probably have a little look at the grain bill.
Or try and increase
I think
it
it
a bit.
might need to bump it up a
Yeah.
bit more. Definitely would use frozen fruit, and that worked beautifully. What you can use, you can dual pitch these. So you can pitch the Philly Sour for the first day and then pitch in another
Yeah, right.
yeast to ramp up the production. It doesnn't like them co-pitched at the same time because it has a tendency to be out-competed.
Oh, okay.
So
Out-competed, there
very
you
good.
go.
I
You know
think
the yeast are
we're-
competitive.
we'll give that a go, I think.
Yeah,
That's, I'm really pleased with that. It was a nice experiment to do with that.
So you
yeast
should
as
be.
well.
It's really good.
there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on another video very soon from Upton Country Park. Adios.